We're gonna start this project with large brush and orange paint. First, we'll paint a large oval in the lower part of the artwork. Then we'll paint it in. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush to paint a smaller oval on top of the large one. After completing an outline, you can paint it in. Next, we'll paint the smallest pumpkin on top of first two. We'll use light brown paint to add lines and outline to each pumpkin. After washing and wiping your brush, you can use dark blue paint to outline pumpkins before painting the rest of the background. Next, you can grab your large brush and paint the rest of the background with dark blue and large brush. Next, we'll switch to a medium-sized brush and black paint. We'll paint a black outline in the lower part of the artwork. Then we'll paint everything in under that line. Next, we'll switch to small brush to paint two black triangles on largest pumpkin. After creating an outline, you can paint those triangles in. Next, you can paint smaller triangle nose. Now we'll paint a smile. It will be slightly to the side and have one sticking tooth on top and one sticking tooth on the bottom. After completing an outline, you can paint it in using black paint. Now we'll add 2 upside down triangles to middle pumpkin. We'll add a smaller triangle for nose. After painting outline, you can paint all 3 triangles in. Next, we'll paint an oval mouth. We'll create an outline for an oval and then we'll paint it in. Next, we'll move to the smallest pumpkin. We'll start by adding 2 triangles for eyes and 1 triangle for nose. Next, you can paint a smile in the middle. We'll paint black grass on both sides of the large pumpkin. After wiping your brush, you can use brown paint to add a stem to smallest pumpkin. We'll switch to smallest brush and yellow paint to add stars in the sky. We'll keep using yellow paint to add highlights to eyes, nose and mouth of each pumpkin. We'll highlight only right side and the bottom part of each shape. Our final step is to sign your name in the corner. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.